Hey guys, in this video I'm going to quickly walk you through that how you can see who logged into your Instagram account. So what you need to do first is you open up your Instagram account right here. After that you have to click on the top right option like that. After clicking it, you can see here is a bunch of option right here. You have to click on the top option, settings and privacy. So please make sure you watch the full video. Okay. After that you have to click on the accounts center right here. Then what you need to do is find the option password and security. After clicking password and security option right here, you have to find the option where you are logged in. This is the option in the first option right here where you are logged in. You are going to click on it. So after that you have to select which accounts you want to see you logged history. Okay, I'm going to click on the Instagram account right here in the last option. You have to click on your profile option right here. Then here you can see here is the devices are logged into my Instagram account. Okay, so here you can find the devices. If someone have your Instagram account password or someone logged into your Instagram account, you can pretty much see their location and their devices name. So this is how you can see who logged into your Instagram account. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe this channel.